guys, this is Tox Gamer, and we are here on the Hive with Saida. Woo woo! And we're just gonna play some games. Well, Meowtha. See that above your head?
That's not my name.
I don't care. But we're gonna be here
It's
with
Meowtha. My name is Meowtha.
Meowtha. And we're gonna basically be playing some mini games. So let's go. Okay. We are on the Hive.
Okay.
What is that? I'm gonna go see.
Oh, we're playing Sky Giant.
Oh yeah, we'll be playing Sky Giants.
Or Skywars, which one?
We'll do Skywars. We
Okay.
have to be on the same team though. Well, there's no point, because it's like having somebody on your team that you don't want. But I suppose that's how the game works. What's this?
It's the first two people, so if me and another person were on, we were the first two people on, we'd be in a team.
Whose teammate am I?
There's only two people, so there's me, because there's only us, and we have to wait, so I'll cut this out, or speed it up.
Whoops,
Montage, starting, right, epic music, and speed it up, starting now.
Add me to your team, Saida. Add me to your team.
We're already in a team.
No, we're not.
Just saying.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
I accidentally disbanded you. Accidentally.
Really?
Yeah, really.
I don't auto 6.
How do I join up with you? Oh my
Yay!
God. Oh my god. I can see.
Just in time. Okay, that's
Okay,
mine.
yeah.
I'm gonna get the diamonds.
Let's see what's in the chest. Okay, we got some tools. What was that?
I can't find mine. Oh, seriously. Oh, what? Wait, guys.
What is that? Oh, look at it over there.
Right, now I can mine. No, I wanted to.
There's plenty more.
I got diamond peaks. People are gonna start coming now. I got a golden apple. And a stone sword.
I'm just getting as much of these as I can. No matter what it is.
Get all the wood. We have to get all the wood.
Why wood? I'll get all the loot.
I'll get all the wood for you because you're gonna do it.
Get all the loot. We need the loot. We need to save the loot.
I'm gonna mine all the wood for us.
What is that? We need to build a deep base. I'm gonna armor up.
No, we have to get whatever you say, Captain.
Would you like this, Saida?
What? Yeah.
Would you like an iron pick? I'll just get get all of the wood, any type, even the birch. Only from the floor though, not the walls.
You get the birch. I'll get this.
Yeah. Spruce.
You get the other kind and
Yeah.
I'll just get the spruce
Yeah.
because it's gonna stack for me. No. Okay. I'll give you all my wood. I have a lot. Wait, Evie, here's some birch. I'll give you all my wood because I have a lot.
You just said that.
A lot.
I get that. Now we've got no floor. I want to go up and see. Build a floor with one material. You're on wood duty.
Oh my god, guys, this Minecraft is so glitchy. My Minecraft's so glitchy. Collect all my wood.
Collect all my wood.
Here you go. Edie, get it.
No, you get it. I'm on the
No,
lookout.
because my Minecraft's glitchy. Really glitchy.
I'm on the lookout.
Yeah, I'll be on the lookout. Quickly collect it.
Enough. Enough.
Got it. How much do you have?
Over 2 stacks of
Ah.
more wood. There's someone coming.
What?
I don't know.
We got you. More
We
extra.
may have got company very, very soon.
Got it. Oh yes. I got
Saida,
a
I need
diamond.
your help here. We could be under
Hey.
attack.
Yeah.
Come on, build.
I don't have any blocks.
Now you do. Build at least another layer up.
Wait, stay there.
Yeah, you build.
You do know our land's gonna fall, right?
What?
Our land's gonna fall. You know that, right?
Yeah.
It might fall. I don't know. I don't know this version.
I haven't actually played Skywars that often lately. That sounds weird. Probably
But-
because it doesn't make sense. Didn't you hear? I said like I haven't been playing Skywars often lately. It sounds right, but wrong at the same time.
Yeah, got it.
Huh? We should be all good for now. I'll just go along the top. We need 3 layers.
Yeah, I did that. So if we need to shelter, you go in charge. I'm gonna go for it. Come on, you have to go for it.
Go for what?
Go for getting stuff. Duh.
Duh. But
I'm
then
killing.
it's easier. We got tons of it outside.
I need more wood.
Okay. I have no more. I have
I
not
need
much.
more wood. Collect the wood down there.
Oh god. Okay, I'm just. Those are pretty. Ow. There's so much stuff. Ooh. Yes, just what I need. Do you need a diamond pick?
Nah.
It's like everybody needs one. Don't you?
I instead of pressing shift, I press cap lock. Oh yeah. Like you didn't up what I told you to do.
No, I don't actually need those. I'm gonna stop here, guys. Not stop the video, but because I was going all the way around. How do I get back up? I'm stranded. I have an idea. There's no going up.
Hold up. There.
I'm gonna. Oh, Saida. Saida, I'm here.
Yeah.
Do you need a diamond pick?
Be careful. Cause I was about to fall down there.
Here, I got a diamond pick for you.
Did you have the OP apple? Not a golden apple. Do you have a golden apple?
Yeah. One.
Yeah, do it.
Saida.
Look at this chest.
Saida, here.
Okay, I got a map. Ooh, yes, yes,
Saida,
yes.
I've given you a golden pick. It's on the floor.
And stay.
Hang on.
You can have the rest of it.
Get the cactus if you want.
Couldn't get a bowl.
Creeper,
Couldn't
creeper,
get a bowl.
creeper, creeper. Okay.
What?
Then.
Mom. Come on.
Is he dead? Yes, he's
Come on.
I killed a creeper. How do you get
What?
Oh.
For the creeper.
Yeah. He's literally just about to blow up and I knocked him off his feet. Is there anything hidden in here? No. That's pointless.
Mom. Come on, Edie.
Where are we?
I think.
Is anything in...
You need diamond leggings. Yeah.
Yes. Everyone does.
Oh.
What was that?
I threw it to the side but didn't went there for some reason. Because of rolled it. Mom, let's go on
Where
this
did I
island.
get all this loot? No.
What?
I just got a golden one and I had carrots that came out of it and they just fell off the edge.
Wow.
Huh? How do we get back up?
What?
Where do you go?
I'm going to this island.
What island? Here?
You
Who, what, where, why, how?
No. Let's jump in the water. Water. I got golden leggings if you need any.
No.
And this time I won't throw them off because I've got 2 pairs. Here you go. I got them in the chest. Put them in the chest.
Okay.
I put the golden leggings in the chest. Kitty. I put the golden leggings in the chest. Now you need to eat.
Saida.
Kitty, I've got a present for you. I've got a...
Are you dead? Are you dead?
No.
Where are you then?
I'm right here. Where are you? I'm at the big island.
She has died. You have died.
How did you know?
Because it said it in chat. No,
Yeah,
how
I
do
know.
get back up?
I thought you would realize.
I can see your ghost. Stay still.
Ooh.
You're haunting me, don't. Do you want to like end the video here?
No.
Star Saida's not here. Star Saida. Huh? I wonder.
Why can't you build? I wonder why. Hey, you just moved me. That's so rude.
Who's that? Sophia?
I wonder why you can't build. I wonder why you can't build. Oh no. Ready? Watch this, ready? Anywhere. I'm magical. Diamond. Ready? Oh, I can see you. Where are you? Hi.
Hi, Ghosty. Where are you? Where are you?
You're a ghost following me. Your ghost following me.
What?
Evie, why is your ghost following me?
I'm not dead.
Why is your ghost following me?
My ghost.
Yeah.
I'm not a ghost. I'm not dead.
Then why was your ghost following me?
Is it now?
Yeah. What?
Yep. I'm gonna end the video now. Okay, I'm just gonna
Guys,
end
we're gonna play
myself.
some.
I'm gonna
Hey
end
guys.
myself.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
Was that you doing the intro, Meowtha? Saida, Meowtha.
Yeah. I am child man. Wait, this was a bad video, so I'm not gonna save it. Instead, we're gonna play another game.
Have you finished your video? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. So,
Should we play some?
okay.
Let's play
Yeah.
some Hunger Games.
Once I've ended this, okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for awesomeness. Go subscribe to Meowtha's channel, and see you later. Goodbye. Wait a minute. Yes. Goodbye. Like and subscribe.